Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Curious Kids General Knowledge Book Class 5th. Lesson number 16, Famous Places. Given below are some of the famous places of historical importance. Write in which state these are situated. Elephanta Caves, Maharashtra. MAHARASHTRA, Maharashtra. Badami, Karnataka. KARNATAKA, Karnataka. Bodh Gaya, Bihar. BIHAR, Bihar. Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh. UTTAR, Uttar. PRADESH, Pradesh. Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. TAMIL, Tamil. NADU, Nadu. Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh. MATHYA, Madhya. PRADESH, Pradesh. Nalanda, Bihar. BIHAR, Bihar. Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. MADHYA, Madhya Pradesh. PRADESH, Pradesh. Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. UTTAR, Uttar. PRADESH, Pradesh. Srirangapatna, Karnataka. KARNATAKA, Karnataka. Lenyatri Caves, Maharashtra. MAHARASHTRA, Maharashtra. Hampi, Karnataka. KARNATAKA, Karnataka. Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. TAMIL, Tamil. NADU, Nadu. Bhubaneswar, Odisha. ODISHA, Odisha. Hawa Mahal, Rajasthan. RAJASTHAN, Rajasthan.